Hey, so Helium 10 starter plan discount code and coupon code is available for you down in the description of this video. And this code helps you save 10% off every month recurring with the starter plan. So instead of paying $39, you're going to pay only $36 per month. Also, this code works with the platinum and the diamond plan. So check it out in the description along with a free trial for Helium 10. Also, I'm going to tell you that it works with the annual plan. So annual plan means paying one time per year for Helium 10. So if you click here on this button, and this, by the way, page is also in the description for you. That's the pricing page of Helium 10. Click on this button, and now you're going to see that you have starter plan at $27 per month only. So that's 27 x 12. That's $324 one-time payment. Instead of paying $39 every month, that's the normal price for 12 months. So it's going to be about $468. So you have over, what is that, $40 saved or so. So that's pretty big savings. Check out the link to the discounts in the description. This is the only code that works with the starter plan. For the other plans, platinum and diamond, you can also use that code. But there's another code that only works for the other plans. It doesn't work with the starter. It helps you save 20% off for 6 months. So that's VOVA 6 M20. The first one is VOVA 10. And this one, though, works only with the platinum and the diamond. Now, if you want to see how starter plan stands against the platinum plan, check out the video on the screen here. It's a comparison between those two plans. And also there's a playlist of tutorials that's going to appear here. Over 200 tutorials of Helium 10 that show you how to use the software for Amazon sellers. Discounts are in the description, also here on the screen. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.